Spring Festival! Celebrate like a local. This year, I'm going to celebrate like a Chinese person, from shopping at a wet market to cooking and fireworks. 走吧 New Year! Oh, hey, you like that? Let's go get some snacks. Here, free samples are totally encouraged. All this is less than $10. We decided to treat ourselves to something nice during the holiday, like the Snow White strawberry and a lobster. In the wet market here, they have organic foods as well, like this 1-year-old free-range chicken for $20. There are also pre-prepared foods like the cooked beef, lamb, fishball, and meatball, and the deep-fried fish. Oh, yeah, that's really good while it's fresh. I'm not good at making Chinese dishes, but I'm bending over backwards to steam this lobster.